Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding with Sijas. If you're new here, this channel is all about UI5 development. Today, I'm really excited to start a new series on Fiori Elements. If you have been working with SAP UI5 or SAP Fiori, you might have heard about Fiori Elements. But what exactly is Fiori Elements and why is it getting popular? Let's find out. Fiori Element is a framework provided by SAP that lets you build powerful enterprise-grade applications without writing a lot of UI code. It uses a concept called annotations, either written in backend or in a local annotation file that generates the UI for you. Now you might ask, why will I use Fiori Elements when I can build application using Fiori Freestyle? Well, here are the few reasons. First, it accelerates the UI development. Second, it gives you a consistent Fiori look and feel. Third, it reduces the front-end effort, so you can focus on the data and metadata and SAP takes care of the UI for you. And the most important, it's recommended by SAP for most standard business applications. Fiori Element offers different predefined application templates or floor plans, each designed for different use cases. List report to show a list of data with filters and sorting. An object page to show data of a single object. An overview page to build a dashboard-like layout with cards. And finally, an analytical page to combine the transactional and analytical capabilities in one app. In this series, we'll explore on different of these layouts with real-world examples and hands-on demos. Now, let's take a quick look at a Fiori Element application. So what you see here is a Fiori Element list report. As you can see, we have a table with data in it. Also, you can see we have an adapt filter option where you can select multiple filters which should be shown in the area called filter bar. Also, you can apply some settings to the table using the settings menu and display what column you are interested to see. Also adjust the sorting condition or grouping condition or apply an inline filter. Now, let's just navigate quickly to one of the list item. Now here you see an object page. It is basically displaying a data related to one object. It also shows an associations or other related items as tables, as forms or as header elements. Notice how most of the UI like table, filters and buttons are automatically generated by annotations. Pretty cool, right? So that's a quick introduction to Fiori Elements. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you how to set up your own project, add annotations and build Fiori Elements to tailor your business goals. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. And let's build some awesome Fiori applications together. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.